Welcome to Drivepedia, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive news, and everything you need to know about the most exciting vehicles on the road. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Spyder, a stunning supercar that combines breathtaking performance with open-top driving pleasure. The 2025 Huracán Spyder is a masterpiece of design and engineering. It features a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that delivers an exhilarating 631 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive system, this convertible supercar rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds and reaches a top speed of 202 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tearing up the track, the Huracán Spyder offers unmatched performance that is both thrilling and precise. Lamborghini's iconic design language is on full display, with sharp lines, aggressive aerodynamics, and a low-slung stance. The lightweight soft top can be lowered in just 17 seconds, even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, letting you fully immerse yourself in the sound of the roaring V10. Inside, the cabin is a mix of luxury and technology. The customizable digital cockpit offers intuitive controls, while premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber add an exclusive touch. Advanced connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensure you stay connected on every drive. The 2025 Huracán Spyder also boasts cutting-edge driver assistance systems and enhanced aerodynamics for a safer and more dynamic driving experience. With advanced suspension systems and rear-wheel steering, it delivers exceptional handling and stability at any speed. Buyers can also personalize their Huracán Spyder through Lamborghini's Ad Personam program, offering endless possibilities for customization to make your supercar truly unique. If you're looking for a convertible that delivers both jaw-dropping looks and unparalleled performance, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Spyder is a perfect choice. Its blend of raw power, precise engineering, and open-air exhilaration make it a standout in the world of high-performance cars. Thank you for watching Drivepedia, where we bring you the best reviews and insights from the automotive world. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest supercars, luxury vehicles, and everything in between, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.